What if I told you that some of the most impressive LeetCode solutions you see online are completely fake? These 0 millisecond runtimes, well, they are not what they seem. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this trick works. So I was browsing through LeetCode, looking at the top rated solutions to learn from the best, right? I'm expecting to see some mind blowing algorithmic optimizations, maybe some clever data structure usage. But instead, I found something completely different. Let me show you what I discovered. Well, here's the actual code that's giving these solutions their 0 millisecond runtime. Wait, what? This has nothing to do with the actual algorithm. Here is what's happening. LeetCode reads from a file called displayRuntime.txt to show your execution time. This sneaky line of code waits until the program finishes, then overwrites the file with just the number 0. So while your code might actually take 100 milliseconds to complete, LeetCode's display will show 0 milliseconds. Well, the actual performance, that's completely unchanged. Come, let me prove this to you. Here's a simple solution without the trick, and here's the exact same algorithm with a runtime hack. Same code, same performance, but completely different display. The algorithm didn't get faster, we just fooled the system into lying about it. Now, you might think, okay, that's kind of clever, but so what? Here's why this bothers me. LeetCode isn't just about getting the right answer, it's about learning to write efficient code, understanding time complexity, and genuinely improving as a programmer. When we use tricks like this, we are not actually getting better. We are just creating the illusion of improvement. And in the real job interview or production environment, these shortcuts won't help you. The developers who figured this out, they are clearly smart, but imagine if they put the same creativity into actually optimizing their algorithms instead of gaming the system. Now, to be fair, this isn't exactly a secret in the coding community. LeetCode knows about it, and since it does not affect actual contests or ranking, they haven't bothered fixing it. Some people see it as a harmless prank, while others think it misses the entire point of coding challenges. Personally, I think it's a reminder that not everything you see online is what it appears to be. Here is my final takeaway. Real growth in programming comes from genuine effort, understanding algorithms, and writing clean and efficient code. It's tempting to chase flashy numbers and impressive looking stats, but the real value lies in learning process itself. Instead of taking 0 millisecond runtime, spend that time learning about the time complexity, exploring different data structures, or even understanding why one approach is faster than another. So, what do you think? Is this a clever hack, or does it defeat the purpose of coding challenge itself? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this interesting, there is definitely more where it came from. I love exploring the hidden side of programming and sharing what I discover. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.